Morning. Morning, everybody. Hope everyone is well. Blessed morning indeed. What are we doing today? Braibog is in the house. Sonkope is in the house. Nontan is in the house. Tangeni is in the house. Fulani, good to see you, my friend. Secretary General is there. Gutlano is there. And Festman is also there. Good morning, everybody. I'm sure many of you are surprised, President. Why are you streaming in the morning? We are having CPI in the afternoon. Why are you here? Well, look, we just have to see what we can do during this session. We've got CPI month to month at 2:30 Central African Time, South African Standard Time. No, man. We've got it on Thursday, not today. PPI, my apologies, PPI, not CPI, because CPI is gone. We had that yesterday. I meant to say PPI on Thursday, right? Today is a Wednesday. We don't have anything much going on for today, right? We don't have anything much going on. So yeah, the results are out. It seems like they were all negative yesterday. The results for CPI, they were all negative yesterday. So yeah, Thursday we have PPI. I don't think we're gonna have much impact on it as well. It doesn't really bother me. We've also got unemployment claims, retail sales month to month as well, core retail sales as well, and the Fed chair speaks around 22.3. Yeah, so let's do a recap of what happened on Monday when we were streaming in the morning. All right. So on Monday morning, when we were streaming, we spoke about reloading positions at $61.66. We even put an alert again, guys. You can always go and check out the previous streams that we have. We don't delete them, right? We don't delete them. So we said reload at $61.70 or so, $61.65 or so to the upside on and someone was asking me this question during the live stream on Monday. He said, why are you buying oil? Because the war is about to end. And I said, look, I'm not gonna focus too much on what is happening, geopolitical tensions and whatnot. I'm going to focus on what I see technically, right? Because I always believe that fundamentally will always be secondary to my approach. My primary approach will always be technical. So fundamentals will always be secondary to my approach, right? So I said, let's look to close above VWAP. Let's reload more positions. To go to the down upside, we can take our TP at $63 or so. Right, and as you see, we went nicely to the upside. One can ask, Mr. President, what are you doing today? So I cannot focus on reloading more positions because it's on a high, this thing, right? I'm looking at having a major resistance at $62.99 a barrel and also $64.70 a barrel. That's why I'm looking to have major resistance. Gold. Now, when gold was dropping on Monday, as you could remember, we had just news coming in that the tariffs on China, they were eased from 145 to 30% or so. And we saw this drop here. I mean, the dollar appreciated nicely on Monday. And we spoke about having support at $3,220 an ounce. Are we going to hold this level? It seems like we held it pretty well. We've been playing around it for some time now. If you were to ask me, what would I do intraday wise? Can I scalp this gold? I would really say, without a doubt, if I close above VWAP, I'm going to scalp this to the upside. If I get something above this VWAP, I'm going to the upside. If I close above this, I'm really going to the upside. Going to put a very tight stop loss, aim for 1:2 around here. That will be my approach on this gold. Only if I close above it. I think we have a lot of selling momentum, and I feel like they should be taken out first before we can go to the downside. That's how I see it. So that's my take on gold. Let me know in the comment section what is it that you're looking at. Euro dollar. We found some nice support at $1.10. We're currently trading at $1.11. What's my take on this today? I don't know, guys, but I'm expecting a weak dollar today. In fact, from today, I'm expecting a weak dollar. So that's my take on euro dollar. I'm expecting something like this. I'm going to be bullish on this one. We held nicely this support here at $1.10. If you go on 4 hours as well, oof. Now there's something now that contradicts my setup now. I'll tell you why. If I go on a daily, this is a retest. Oof. This is going to mess up my setup. I didn't see this on 1 hour. I mean on daily. This is invalid, guys. Nope. Bearish. I'm bearish because on a higher time frame, look at this. Textbook stuff, man. Break, retest. There are a lot of people buying this to make a new high. Nope. I cannot trade like that. Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, let's like the stream. 41 people watching didn't only have liked the stream. Can we do better, please? By the way, congratulations to those of you that have won the you know, you are in the top 5. Congratulations, man. Well done. I just want to confirm, did you get your money? Have you received your prize money? Remember, the first place won 15,000 rand, second place won 7,005, I think, or 7,000 rand. Third place won 5,000, fourth place 3.5, fifth place 1.5. Please confirm with me. Have you received your money? If you have entered the top trader trading competition. Let's have a look at British Pound USD. Chopos yala quiet on me. I think I'm gonna have the same approach, same structure on this. That's my take on British Pound USD. Going to be bearish because of a higher time frame. NAS 100. I don't have anything there, man. This thing's just moving sideways. Let's see if we are holding 42,000. Let's see if we can hold that 42,000 mark. Let's see it. I don't know, man, but I'm just getting side movements everywhere. Tidiso, I'm having is it Tidiso or Malawi is asking about DAX. I'm just having side movements everywhere, my friend. Let's wait for 9 o'clock. Let's wait for 9 o'clock. And let's see what happens from there. Let's see, King Kong. What's your take there? We are ranging between $264 an ounce and $3,222 an ounce. That's where we are ranging with gold. What's your take there, King Kong? Yeah, I think since Mukele is here, you can confirm. Mukele, can you confirm if you received your prize money from Okta for being in the top 5? Well done, Mukele. Well done. Well done for being in the top 5. We've got, by the way, guys, I'm proud to say that out of the top 5, we've got 2 choppers who made it in the top 5. Okay. I'm gonna call Mobile during the stream because I think yesterday we got a communication that the money is being released, so I don't know which form it was released in, but I'm sure it should be in your bank accounts or something like that. Let's just wait for 9 o'clock. In the next few seconds, we will have something. Let's like the stream, choppers. Let's like the stream. Kinos is asking why, as a beginner trader, after a losing streak, you start having a fear of to trade. It's normal. Kinos, it's normal, my friend. By the way, guys, oh, by the way, Kinos, I was home this weekend, man. I was hoping to see you there, Gukas. I was in Letabile this weekend. I went to see my mom for Mother's Day. So why is it that when you're a beginner, when you start losing, it's normal, and it doesn't only happen to traders. It happens to everybody. Once you start experiencing something that your body is not comfortable with, what usually happens is that you have fear. For people that have been involved, like in an accident. In my case, after having an accident just those a few months ago, what happened with me psychologically was bad, man, because I didn't wanna find myself in a vehicle again. All of a sudden I was afraid of speed. So it's normal, you know. So it's how, one thing we need to understand as traders is that we are human beings, guys. And some things that happen to us because of trading, they don't happen to us just because we are traders. They happen to us because we are human beings at the end of the day. We are human beings. So it's normal. Your body's not comfortable with pain. That's why you fear. We've got DAX moving nicely there to the upside, currently trading at 23,700. So if you start losing a lot, you become fearful. It's normal. And if you start winning a lot, you become too complacent sometimes. That's why I always say process over emotions all the time. Process over emotions. Mukele said, thanks God, but in all honesty, we did it for the choppers and Mr. President because he was very confident in us, so we had to deliver. Most definitely, my friend. I believe in my team, man. I believe in my team. I believe so much in you guys. You come in every day streaming with me. The way you analyze, the way you think, your thought process into things in general, business in general, trading in general. There was no way a chopper wouldn't be in the top 5. There was no way. I was so confident. Yeah, but at the same time, let's just be careful because it might be false move session open. We must also be careful of that. What are we getting from gold? Nothing much. Euro dollar? Nothing much. British pound USD, I'm selling at $1.33. This is where I'm selling British pound USD. At 786 retracement. And one can ask, Mr. President, where is your 1 and where is your 2? There you go. 1, 2 too low. Fib placed from the 2 too low. Execute that 786 rejection candle. All in, lights out, close your eyes. That's my take on this. I've been looking at the level the whole week. I'm hoping support level around to 23,500 DAX. I'm just not sure about being bullish on DAX. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't think I'm gonna be bearish on DAX. I'm simply gonna be bearish on DAX. Why am I saying that? Is chances are the support and resistance traders sold here. Maybe the ones you take them out first before it goes down. And also breakout traders, when they see this breakout, they might come in thinking we're gonna make a new, or we can reach that high there of yesterday, of Monday, which is at 23,950. So my take is this on DAX. That is just my take. That is just my take. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please like the stream? So for those of you that won the competition, please check your if your accounts were credited. Check if your accounts were credited. Go on your Okta portal, check if your accounts were credited. So maybe, Mukelo, you might be expecting the money to come straight into your bank account, but check on your Okta portal if you are credited, right? And then you can withdraw from there. That sell for King Kong is coming down nicely. Let's have a look at the heat map just when the session had just opened. US dollar is weak, AUD strong, British pound neutral, New Zealand dollar strong, Canadian dollar neutral, Swiss franc weak, Japanese yen strong, Chinese yuan strong. Guys, have you noticed lately, whenever you're finding Chinese yuan weak, the dollar is weak. When the dollar is strong, Chinese yuan is strong. I don't know if I'm the only one who've noticed lately that has been happening. Euro is also quite weak today. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna be bearish on DAX. Let me know your thought. I'm bearish on DAX. Tangen is asking, Mr. MJ, my question might be a bit silly. There's never a silly question here, my friend. We always appreciate your question, guys. Why do you trade indices, commodity markets more than currency pairs? Are they more profitable in terms of reward, or it's just preference? It's volatility for me. It's volatility for me. Let's study the percentage change, for example, right? So what I have here is I've got gold down by 0.74%. This thing we just opened now, down by 0.74%. Look at currency pairs, man. The currency pairs that I trade. Look, euro is down by 0.01%, no movement. British pound up by 0.1%, no movement. NAS 100 up by 0.46%. US30 up by 0.13%. DAX up by 0.27%. So what I'm basically trying to say is that I'm getting volatility. That's why I prefer them. So I get more volatility on these markets more than currency pairs. I hope you're answered, my friend. Because with me, if I come and I see, like, I don't see the chart and I just look at my watch list and I'm just studying the percentages here, I can tell without a doubt if I'm going to trade or not. If my percentages are low, chances I'm going to be trapped. The market is consolidating. So when you're seeing euro, it's not even up or down. Look, 0.0%, if there is something like that. If you go to it, you're getting nothing, man. Look, I don't want to trade in a market like this. So I can see consolidation by seeing a percentage. By just looking at the percentage, I can tell if the market is trending or is ranging. Now look at my POC, point of control, at 23,637, almost in the same line as my viewer. Close below it, man. I'm closing my eyes. Guys, can we please like the stream? Can we like the stream? Can I have a clean chart on this, please? Oof. I'm seeing something here on this WTI already down. Now guys, I'm still bearish on WTI, on German. I just hope this is a stop hunt, false move session open, and this thing goes my direction. Can we like the stream, please? Thank you, Brian. Can we like the stream? There goes my sell there. Close below POC. Close below VWAP. Taking a sell. So Tulan is asking, Mr. President, I wanted to know how the heat map measures the strength of the currencies against each other. Does it show strength per each session or per each day? So the heat map, when it's like this, it's live, right? When the heat map is like this, it's live. So it's measuring this on the live market. So this is what is happening currently. So it's not a daily thing. So when it's, for example, when you see British pound against the Japanese yen, right? So we've got British pound here and we've got Japanese here, right? What it means is that Japanese is stronger than British, all right? So if you go to yeah, down, when it says, when British is down, it's red, right? And it says minus 0.28%. What it means is that Japanese is stronger than this. Okay, that's what it means. But it's currently, like now, what is happening right now, it's not a daily thing. It's currently what is happening. So the heat map is it's live. So you don't wait for anything. It's just live. It's not a daily thing. Yeah, in a day you would have a heat map, or you can have percentage change down by this much, up by this much for the day, down or up by this much. But this one here, it's live, like it's current percentage currently. Whew. There goes my German there nicely. I need a close below, man. I need a close below. Still above VWAP. Still monitoring it. The currency pairs I trade are not giving me anything. Nothing whatsoever. NASDAQ also above VWAP 21,220. This is where we're currently holding price. If you just joined us, I'm bearish on German. Can you please like the stream if you just joined us? Welcome. Please kindly like the stream. Look at that gold. Close above. Get a discount, $3,235 an ounce, buying it. This was also a good one there. Many trapped to the downside. Brian, I'm joining you just now. So it's clear, as I was saying earlier on, that those that sell here, they might be stopped out and this thing goes down. Hence, I wanted to be bearish. Textbook stuff, man. This happens all the time. Between gold and German, which one can I take? Bit of correction, my view up, go to the downside. That's German. I think I'm gonna go for gold. Germany is also beautiful, man. Oh, let me see something here. If I take it here, I can put my stop loss. Come on. Sure. Blessed are those that are having enough margin, like Bri could take a buy on gold and a sell on WTI at the same time. I don't think I can do that at this point. I don't think I can do that. Okay. I'm just not so sure of my stop loss there on gold. Still calculating it. Okay. Okay, executing gold exactly there. 3,235. That's where I'm filled. Going to increase my reward so that I can leave room for stop loss at 3,229. Let's see. We die. Crazy, I don't have enough margin for that, my friend. I wish. My initial setup was German, but the way in which it closed below view up, it's just... Oh. The way in which it closed below view up is just... it's not in line with my rules, man. Yeah, close below view up, but... I guess I'll just have to settle for this gold. I'll just have to settle for this gold. Can I get something to buy it? Maybe correction at 23,000? 63? Maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. For those of you just join us, please like the stream, guys. Like the stream. Discount was at $3,225 an ounce at this low here. Somebody took it there. Who is it? Tabang. Nice one, man. We bought at the high, but still worth the risk according to how we trade. Still worth the risk. Gold still down by 0.46%. We are going against an asset that is already weak, man. But yeah, we're looking to take TP at $3,247. If you just join us, please like the stream, folks. Choppers, don't forget we're meeting, guys, in Cape Town in the next 2 weeks. We're going to be in Cape Town International Convention Center for Finance Magnet Africa Summit. If you've already booked your flight or you're that side, yeah, man, let's meet that side. Let's meet that side. All right, let's see how this gold will perform, man. German close above view up. Gold still playing around our entry level there. Not really much going on. Choppers, my time is up with you. I'll update you guys about this trade on the group. If you want to join our private group, my number is there, 0763506942. This is where you can reach us and we can add you on our private group, and you can get some insights on what we do, how you can scale your trading business, and know a few things about our strategy, why we took this buy on gold. And another thing is there's an announcement I needed to make. Chances are we might stream again in the morning tomorrow. As you know, we normally stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But on Friday, 10 o'clock, I have a podcast with, let me just check here. Let me check. Okay, it's called Cover Magazine Podcast. It's a business podcast, right? I'm invited there, so it's gonna be in the morning, so I won't be able to stream with you guys in the morning, right? So, but yeah, maybe we might stream tomorrow morning. Chubas, thank you so much for your time. For me, your president, I'm out. I'll update you about this trade on the private group. Cheers, guys.